I am Neeraj Sah and my roll number is 21EE317 and this is my DIY assignment 3 assembly disassembly and today I am going to disassemble this mortine machine. Let's assemble this. We have to first, this is a refill and this is a machine and I am going to talk about this machine. I am opening this machine through a screwdriver. In this liquid, there are many ingredients like dimethyl propylene, diethyl carbonate, and dimethyl 3-methyl benzamides, metafluorethin oil, lemon, and picaridin, and many harm. It passes through the skin of mosquitoes and causes paralysis, making the movement of that mosquitoes slower, thus damage their nervous system. Mosquitoes cannot move. Now we have to disassemble this. Now I now this is look like this, and this is a LED, and this is a capacitor, this is a diode, and this is a resistance, and there are this is a main wire which is connected to this diode and LEDs, this circuits, and here it is connected, this wire is connected in this sides, and current is coming in like this direction, and it's charged this diode, and it's heat up, and this liquid vaporize and mixed with air, and mosquitoes take in, and this is cause killing mosquitoes, and mosquitoes is starting killing after inhaling this gas. Now we have to assemble it and check it's working or not. uh, this is now I am assemble this, and one thing I remember to cut tighten nuts. Now I am completely assemble this. Let's check it's working or not. Let's see. This is now working. This is in flash mode, and this is no normal mode. This is working.